Now let's look at the 4 main benefits of serverless computing. First, as we discussed, there are no servers or operating systems to maintain. You don't have to manage any servers or even have to install any operating systems or supporting software. Second, easy and efficient scaling. Serverless applications can be scaled automatically or at the most with a few clicks to choose your desired capacity. There is no need to create any specialized scalable architecture or designs. Third, high availability. Serverless applications have built-in availability and fault tolerance. So you don't need to have any specialized infrastructure to make your applications highly available or fault tolerant. All this is available to you by default. Fourth, and this is a big one, no idle capacity. You pay only for what you use and no more. For example, with traditional architecture, say you created a server with 100 GB of memory and you're using only 10 GB of it. But still, you'll have to pay for the 90 GB that you're not using. But with serverless architecture, you pay only for what you use. So if you're using 10 GB, you only pay for 10 GB. Also, with AWS Lambda, which is the core component of Amazon's serverless platform, you pay only for the time your code runs. So there is no charge if your code is not running. So if your code runs for say 100 milliseconds, you're charged only for that 100 milliseconds and no more. That's really a very fine-grained control and results in a substantial cost savings for your business.